It is turning. Mystic powerboat.
Well guys, video number 25 from Haulover Inlet. This one a fast pace with extended preview. I hope you liked it, and also I want to take this opportunity to thank all the subscribers that have been hearing my complaints, and sorry about that, but it's just that YouTube is not recognizing the channel and not promoting it. So my views are really bad, and so bad that I've even considered closing the channel. But I will try for a couple more weeks and see if I can get this going. And for that to happen, I need your support. I need you to please leave comments on the video and the thumbs up, because that's the only way that YouTube recognizes that the channel has followers and people interested. So once again, Thanks for watching, and I also want to say one more thing, that Joseph will be doing more lives lately. Many people like his comments and jokes, and so he'll be doing more of that pretty soon. For now, this is all, and I want to thank all of you, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.